Hello amazing students. Welcome to your geography revision session. Today, we're revisiting two exciting topics that build your foundation in geography. First, we'll explore the structure of the Earth based on its chemical composition, including the crust, the mantle, and the core. Next, we'll look at weathering, how rocks are broken down by mechanical, chemical, and biological processes over time. You're welcome to send in your answers for checking, or you can request the answer sheet to guide your learning. So get your notebook ready, stay curious, and let's explore the world of geography together. Welcome aboard, and let the revision begin. 1. Which of the following layers is composed mostly of iron and nickel? A. Crust. B. Mantle. C. Outer core. D. Inner core. 2. What is the Earth's outermost layer made primarily of silicate rocks? A. Core. B. Mantle. C. Crust. D. Lithosphere. 3. Which layer is found between the crust and the core, and contains silicate minerals rich in iron and magnesium? A. Crust. B. Mantle. C. Inner core. D. Atmosphere. 4. Which of the following best describes the Earth's core in terms of chemical composition? A. Silicate materials. B. Iron and nickel. C. Magnesium and oxygen. D. Carbon and hydrogen. 5. The Earth's crust is primarily made up of which two elements? A. Iron and nickel. B. Carbon and hydrogen. C. Silicon and oxygen. D. Sulfur and nitrogen. 6. Which layer of the Earth is composed of rocks that are rich in magnesium and iron silicates? A. Crust. B. Inner core. C. Outer core. D. Mantle. 7. Which part of the Earth is solid despite extremely high temperatures? A. Outer core. B. Inner core. C. Mantle. D. Crust. 8. What is the main reason the Earth's layers have different compositions? A. Earth was formed by a comet. B. The layers are formed by human activity. C. Density differences during Earth's formation. D. The Earth's rotation speed. 9. What is weathering? A. Movement of rocks by water. B. Breaking down of rocks into smaller pieces. C. Formation of new rocks underground. D. Melting of rocks due to heat. 10. Which of the following is a type of mechanical weathering? A. Acid rain dissolving limestone. B. Ice freezing in cracks and breaking rocks. C. Plants producing weak acids. D. Rocks reacting with oxygen. 11. What is chemical weathering? A. Rocks changing because of wind. B. Rocks breaking into smaller pieces. C. Rocks changing due to chemical reactions. D. Rocks moving from mountains to rivers. 12. Which natural force causes frost wedging, ice weathering? A. Gravity. B. Sunlight. C. Freezing and thawing of water. D. Ocean waves. 13. Which of these best describes biological weathering? A. Rocks breaking from heavy rain. B. Rocks broken by tree roots or animals. C. Rocks melting in the sun. D. Rocks moving during an earthquake. 14. What type of weathering occurs when acid rain dissolves rock? A. Physical. B. Mechanical. C. Chemical. D. Biological. 15. Which rock type is most affected by acid rain? A. Granite. B. Sandstone. C. Basalt. D. Limestone. 16. Which factor does not affect the rate of weathering? A. Type of rock. B. Climate. C. Rock color. D. Presence of plants and animals. 17. In which climate does chemical weathering occur fastest? A. Hot and dry. B. Cold and dry. C. Hot and wet. D. Cold and wet. 18. What is the end result of weathering? A. Formation of fossils. B. Rock melting. C. Soil formation. D. Earthquake. 19. What is mechanical weathering? A. Rocks changing due to chemical reactions. B. Rocks breaking apart due to physical forces. C. Rocks melting into lava. D. New rocks forming underground. 20. Which of the following is an example of mechanical weathering? A. Acid rain breaking down limestone. B. Iron in rocks reacting with oxygen. C. Water freezing and expanding in rock cracks. D. Tree roots producing acid. 21. What causes rocks to crack and break during freezing and thawing? A. Pressure from animals. B. Growth of plants. C. Expansion of water as it freezes. D. Heat from the sun. 22. What is it called when ice causes rocks to break apart? A. Thermal expansion. B. Frost wedging. C. Oxidation. D. Acid reaction. 23. Which condition leads to more mechanical weathering by frost wedging? A. Hot and dry weather. B. Constant high temperatures. C. Repeated freezing and thawing. D. Heavy rainfall with no freezing. 24. How do plant roots cause mechanical weathering? A. By absorbing nutrients. B. By producing acids. C. By growing into cracks and forcing them open. D. By covering the rocks. 25. Which of these is not an agent of mechanical weathering? A. Freezing and thawing. B. Gravity pulling rocks downhill. C. Acid rain. D. Tree roots. 26. What effect does temperature change have on rocks? A. It melts the rocks. B. It causes them to change color. C. It causes rocks to expand and contract, leading to cracks. D. It dissolves the minerals. 27. When rocks break apart by rubbing against each other, this is called A. Root wedging. B. Frost wedging. C. Abrasion. D. Chemical peeling. 28. Which landscape is most likely to experience mechanical weathering? A. Tropical rainforest. B. Desert with hot days and cold nights. C. Under the ocean. D. Deep underground caves. 29. Which of the following is an example of mechanical weathering? A. Acid rain dissolving limestone. B. A rock rusting due to oxygen. C. Ice breaking rocks apart in cracks. D. Limestone reacting with carbon dioxide. 30. Which process is responsible for chemical weathering? A. Frost wedging. B. Oxidation. C. Abrasion. D. Root wedging. Before we finish, quick reminder, subscribe, share and like. Hey friends! Spread the word, tell your friends, cousins, and classmates to join the squad. Let's crush those topics together, revise like champs, and level up our learning game. Don't miss out, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Alright, now let's jump into the last two questions. Ready? Let's go. 31. Which type of weathering involves changes in the rock's chemical structure? A. Mechanical. B. Physical. C. Chemical. D. Erosional. 32. What is biological weathering? A. Weathering caused only by water. B. Weathering caused by living things. C. Weathering caused by earthquakes. D. Weathering caused by wind.